Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. If you first visit my YouTube channel, please subscribe and like this video and share this video. Thank you. Today I'm explaining two positive things. You will start having protective results only when you replace your negative thoughts with positive ones. Do not accept positive changes in your life if you surround yourself with negative people. It's mean you ignore these people after success. You can't hang out with negative people and accept to live a positive life. So continue your positive thing after you inshallah deserve this positive thing. You can't hang out with negative people and accept to live a positive life. Again it's repeated, but again it's topic and good word. You can't have a positive life and a negative mind. It's mean negative mind not immediately successful. Positive mind immediately successful. Stop overthinking. It leads to negativity. Just think positive and be positive and take positive to give respect and take respect. Stay positive. Better days are on their way. And Tom said, "It's my name, Zeeshan, Safdar, and Commando, and Chu." It's positive thing. It's all routine word, but it's commonly used to environment and it affects your positive mindset and your positive body. So I hope you are understand my video. To thank you to complete what this why this video. To again take care. Allah Hafiz.